Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare GitHub versus Code Push. GitHub is a powerful web-based platform designed for version control and collaborative software development, primarily using Git repositories. On the other hand, Code Push is a service that enables developers to instantly update mobile applications over the air. These two tools serve fundamentally different purposes within the software development lifecycle, addressing distinct needs for managing code and deploying updates to end users. GitHub acts as a central hub for millions of developers, facilitating distributed version control and project management. It allows teams to track changes, manage issues, and conduct code reviews through features like pull requests. With over 100 million developers, it's a cornerstone for open-source projects and private repositories alike. It ensures code integrity and streamlines collaboration across diverse development teams, making it an essential tool for modern software engineering. Code Push offers a distinct advantage for mobile application development, particularly for frameworks like React Native and Cordova. It allows developers to push immediate updates directly to users' devices, bypassing the often lengthy App Store review processes. This capability is invaluable for quickly deploying bug fixes, adding new features, or making user interface adjustments. It significantly reduces the time from development to deployment for critical mobile app changes. Ultimately, GitHub and Code Push are not competing tools, but rather complementary components in a comprehensive development strategy. GitHub is the undisputed champion for source code management, version control, and team collaboration. Code Push excels at delivering rapid, over-the-air updates for mobile applications. The choice of which is better depends entirely on the specific task, managing your codebase versus deploying instant updates to your mobile users. They work best when used together.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.